Yo, what's good, people? So, I'm starting to set up my phone again, and it got erased. Like everything, I got locked out of my phone, and I'm trying to pretty much narrow down any kind of way that I could be, they could be making money off of us by like leaking information or whatever. So, I found a system like you can see all these apps that I'm using, and I can't add a lock screen to my phone, or else it'll lock me out, and I don't want to the same thing that happened because this phone is encrypted, and it automatically encrypts itself, even though I factory reset it or I hard reset it. So I found this app. Let's see. So as you can see, so I installed this app. It's called Advanced Tools. This is the one, and it's already working pretty good. I like it just from barely clicking on the app itself. But it's telling me all of my tasks, everything that's running in the background. I'm gonna go a little slower for you guys so you can see. Even though I have my settings set to um, even though I have my settings to not let any background apps run, because I have developer options installed, and as you can see, what the heck, I said no background processes. Stupid shit. Okay, so I have no background processes right here. And to enable, I had that enabled, and obviously it changed itself. Because these perps, they just do whatever the hell they want on your phone. Um, so I don't want that. And to enable uh, your developer options, I think it's build number. You click on build number. It's on right here on the bottom, about phone. You scroll all the way down to build number, and you click it 5 times, like repeatedly, until it says developer options enabled, and then it'll give you this option right here, and then you can turn off and kind of look into what certain things mean. You can Google them yourself, and to make your phone more secure, even though once they encrypt your phone, it's gonna be pretty much hard for you to kind of protect yourself. But if you install antivirus, like if you install other apps, people are watching. Pretty much there's other apps watching. So who doesn't the government get along with? Russia. So Kaspersky would probably be a good app for a targeted individual, or I'm not sure, just people that don't allow, they have certain rules, certain laws. But because you're installing it from the Play Store, they're gonna install their own version of it. But still, you're wanting to use anything that's a benefit to you. So whatever you could do. So I add this no root firewall thing. It helps somewhat. um I disable, I want to keep my phone like that, where I disable Google Play services and Google Play Store, and then I don't add an email to the account. So I remove my account, my email, my Gmail. I remove it from the account, and then so all I have to do is just use Chrome. I can't use Play Store. I can't use YouTube, and I can't use Gmail. So I would have to improvise and probably install Proton Mail. Also, I'm gonna show you guys something right now that is kind of pissing me off. So I'm just gonna add it to this, but I'm gonna go to the website right now and see if it still shows. But let's see here. I don't need this anymore. Do I? No, I think I don't need this. All right. So any apps that you can use that are not that you don't want, like I don't want anything that has to do with Google, like even Google Chrome. But I install Mozilla Firefox, and it gets hacked and it gets tampered with, so it doesn't really matter. But if you have one thing of Google, just try to disable cookies or disable third party cookies, and you can go to that in settings right here. It just makes things harder for us to do things because you want to make them harder for them to collect data. So pretty much I think it's privacy. No, it's not privacy. It's site settings. Yeah, then you go to cookies, and then you just click off, check off where it's not checked. So I checked it off, and there's way more stuff that I can do to protect myself. Like not use Google is one big part of it, but yeah, this app is good. It's showing me a lot of stuff that I need to see. And let's see here. So yeah, I'm gonna install Proton Mail because I don't want to use Gmail anymore, and I gotta update all of my like job searching. Is what I was gonna show you guys. So look, obviously it's not working right now because of what I'm telling you. They're not liking it. So this should be working, but it's not. So they're obviously like messing with my phone as we speak. They're like rewriting stuff and messing with certain things. So let's see here. Let's see if this will work. If not, and you see how it's reloading, like when I click on this it reloads like that little circle. That's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to automatically just go to my apps without any problem. And when that happens, it's because somebody is actually logged onto my phone right now, working as I'm working, showing you guys what I'm doing, and they're combating it. They're trying to you know write whatever they could in the meantime, so that whatever I'm planning they're gonna try to mess with. So it's not even loading up anymore, which it was before when I started this video. It's not even loading up anymore. So what you do is, if you're gonna install the way that I have things installed, I have to I just have to stop it because it won't work. So I'm just gonna go back on this, and most likely it should work. And then what I do is I go back to this and then I turn it on, because it shows you right here access log. Well, it should show you. It should show you what's going on right here, and it's not. Oh, let me see, maybe this way. This is always running. This access log is always running. So I don't know why it's not running for some reason. That's weird. Wow. I guess they updated the app or something and that's why it's not working, but so yeah, the access log isn't working anymore. Um I know what. I bet you it's this freaking antivirus. I'm not gonna use that crap. I'm just gonna go with Kaspersky like I want to. Because if you think about it, Edward Snowden got asylum in Russia. So, I mean, just think about it. I mean, it's not gonna mean that it's gonna work. You know, it might not work, but I mean, we'll find out. Because we're in the learning process together, so, you know, we'll both see what happens. When you want to download something, you have to enable downloader. Put a check because the little bars right here are the Wi-Fi, and then there's the mobile data, and this little dot that you see on the screen is see, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. See, I took off that app because they probably hacked the that antivirus or whatever. You can just not keep one if you don't want an antivirus. I mean, this is just a suggestion, but let's see if it works like that as well. Okay. So you can see, I don't know why, but look, you see how there's two, three, four, like three Google Play allowed, and then there's like two download managers. Is because there's like somebody pretty much backpacking your 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 service. They're like someone else is on your phone when you're online. Every time you hop online, every time you turn on your phone is pretty much sending a signal out to these perps, and they know when you're online. So don't be surprised is why you're getting followed and stuff like that, especially if you're using technology, because it's just collecting data all day every day. Wait, is this just internet security, or is this? Oh, I mean, internet security is good because you want your internet to be secure. So, but I'm pretty sure the government has their own version of this app, and they probably don't want you know people to really have protection. So they will do whatever they have to do to keep you in the dark and whatnot. I'm not sure how it looks better. Maybe like that. Whatever. Anyways, access log, denied, denied, denied. Look at Google backup transport, Google backup, Google backup, Google backup. Look, see, that's why I like this app. It tells me like everything, and then plus this one, task manager, is still showing me that there's all these tasks running, even though I just changed this to not let any tasks run in my, oh, hold up, developer options, no background processes. So why are these processes running? Because they do whatever the hell they want. This this file manager, the blue one on top, I tried getting rid of that one, but I can't uninstall it or whatever. um I want to disable this app right here. I don't even know what the hell that's supposed to be, but whatever. Also, wireless emergency alerts. That's like pretty much gang stalkers stuck on your phone. It's just systems they have in place to keep track of you. All these phones are built to spy on you. It's inevitable. I mean, I'm not trying to fight a battle that I'm going to lose, but I'm going to be smart about it, and I'm going to show you guys how to fucking beat these little punks, and you see how many services there is? Look, 8 services, 10 services. What's Geo? What the hell is this crap? 10 services, Geo Fence hardware service. Okay. Um, 59 running UPG grade intent service. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just find another browser and disable Google Chrome. The more services, the more fucking perped it is. You see this bullshit? Fucking stupid ass fucking app. We gotta be smart, guys. We gotta know how to see what's pretty much in front of us, because these people are gonna take advantage of us, and we need to be smart. So see, 23 services running. It's pretty much it's sharing information with other people or other what's it called, servers, so that people can log on to, so that they're not able to get tracked. Google account settings API services 334. See, that's why I disable Google Play services. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this stuff right now. Hopefully the video doesn't stop. I'm gonna shit, that's what I'm afraid of doing, but anyways, before I disable it, I'll just, damn it. All right, let me think. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. All right. Auto start apps. User system. So this is interesting, man. This app is really good. I like this app. I'm gonna put it in the description. Oh wow. Broadcast receiver. Start destination receiver. Look at all this bullshit they have. They're fucking stupid. Trust me, this app is good, and it pretty much shows you how these people work. So find a different maps if you can. Don't use anything of Google. So you want to do this before, you want to get all the apps that you need beforehand, because once you disable and you take off your Google account from your phone, you're not going to be able to download or go like on certain apps. Some apps will probably say, that you can't use it without Google services and Google Play services, and you're gonna not be able to use them pretty much. But most of them shouldn't have that problem. But all right, so maps. Let's see maps. Let's see what's other alternative for maps. I mean, I think Waze is owned by Google, but if anybody had a suggestion of other good maps to use, let me know. But I'm thinking maybe this one looks okay. MapQuest. Yeah, sure, why not? All right, let's install this one. My second choice was this one, but I'm not sure. I mean, because it has ads, launcher, dev. This one looks good. I'm just gonna add this to my wish list. So later on, if this one doesn't work, I have to enable things and then come back. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the picture beforehand. Let's see. Let me add this in here. File manager. Pictures. Which one did I take a screenshot? Right? Yeah. Recent. Here we go. Screenshot. Let's see. All right, so I was applying online, and the resume that they're sending the people that I'm applying to, this is the email that they're replacing with mine. So so this is pretty dumb. I want my email on there. I don't want them to do with anything of intercepting my, it's pretty much because they're trying to control my work. They want to um also, I don't know how to turn off like when I lose service, because I'll lose service sometimes, and then my service will drop. Oh crap, it's not this one. Let's see here. Recent screenshot. Right here, I think. Yeah. All right, so they will place this crap, and they're trying to intercept my from me getting employment and stuff. But this video is getting kind of long, so I'm gonna have to cut it short. But I'm gonna show you guys whatever else I can. Let's see. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Let's see. Okay, Google Chrome. I need to replace my browser. I'm gonna get a light browser. Try to get like a light one that doesn't take up too much space. It's not gonna be, and it's private. Like this one, in browser, incognito browser, or whatever. I'm not gonna disable it right now because I have like a lot of tabs open. But privacy browser, you can text that. Let's see, private browser. This one's good, but I'm not sure if it lets you like log in and stuff. Maybe it does. I'm gonna install this one because you want to have your you want to have your accounts. You want to be able to still log on to Google account and use your YouTube and stuff like that, because that's honestly all I need the browser for, is to like Google stuff and to you know I'll get this one next if I take screenshots of everything too, like to make sure I remind myself, and I'll go through my pictures. I'll delete the ones that I don't need anymore, and then you know I'll go back to them, just filter them, whatever. So let's see. Okay, so that's that. See, because I have my Google Chrome, right, and there's 7 screens open. It's gonna be my Gmail. It's gonna be Indeed. It's gonna be Google. My YouTube channel, Google Contacts, because I'm always updating my contacts, speaking with different TIs, and then I got YouTube MP3, and this is collecting cookies and all kinds of stuff. You can turn that off, whatever. But I can go back to it. See, so I can disable this right now, honestly, and I can enable it, and it'll still be left off with the tabs that I have and stuff like that. So I don't know if it works for all the phones, but this is disabled, and I'm gonna force stop it, and then I'm gonna move this over here, put that there, put this over here, and then we'll test it out. Can you log into some kind of file? Google sign in. Okay, so it lets you sign in, so you can still do whatever you need to do. So that's good. All right, so bam, that's that. And then let's see here. I'm getting kind of like not nervous, but it's because I don't. The longer I keep this video going, the longer it's gonna take to upload it, and I don't even think I need Google calendars and stuff, because I don't even use calendars. I don't never really use it. I'm gonna just disable this crap because I just don't use it. I don't need it. So there's no point to have it. You don't need things that you're not using. All right, let's see here. What else did I need to get? Kind of getting let's see, beforehand. I know I'm forgetting something, but I'll just remind myself later. Let's see. I can go to my updates. No library. Because every app that you install, it's going to be using, they're going to hack it, and they're going to be using their, their servers somewhere else to get through and get internet access through that. So it doesn't matter what app you install, they're gonna use it, but it's gonna be less, and it's gonna be less processes. So if I go back to this running services, and we go to, there's 11 from this one, there's 2 from Bluetooth phone services. Why is freaking Bluetooth have a fucking phone service anyways? How did I get, see, I can't even click on that, but I don't want no Bluetooth phone service bullshit. So empty services, there's 7 services, and there's contacts they're running in the background. So why is that, and let's see here, I think I have a, I should be so it's not letting me click on the issues. I don't know why not. All right, I'll do that later. But you want to look for the most processes. Look at freaking Google Play Store, Google Play Services. All right, so, and then YouTube. All right, so I really don't need YouTube unless I'm gonna install video. I mean, upload videos. So I don't really need YouTube right now. So I'll enable it when I do need it, though. That's why this app comes in handy, because you can see what my cats are fighting. All right, so Kaspersky has 25. That's like the most highest one right now. Hey, get your ass out of here. All right, so they're getting upset because I'm figuring shit out. All right, so that's pretty much it. I can't really think of anything else that I need right now, but I'm gonna try to cut this video short because it's already 30 minutes. But this is a good video. I'll find, if anybody has suggestions of a better antivirus, let me know. Let's see here. So we're gonna go, this is the last, pretty much the last thing I need to do. Let's see here, apps. So you want to go to Google Play services. All right, so I can disable that. All right, and before it wouldn't let me, it wouldn't allow me to. So I'm gonna disable Google Play Store. And then I'm gonna do the services, but I'm gonna stop the video before this because a lot of shit goes wrong when you stop this. Once you stop this, if a notification pops out, you just hold it, and then you turn off that little button, because some services that you don't use, it doesn't matter. You can just turn it off and say, like, because it's gonna keep popping up every time you try to use the app. So I'm gonna disable this now, and then I'm good. And then don't forget to take to remove your Google account, remove it from your thing, and update all of your apps that that you use that email for, your Google email. Update it to a Proton email and get all of your Proton email. And don't use Google services, they suck.